So this is a very popular trigonometry identity, sin A plus B equal to sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B, and we are going to see how we can prove it in a very elegant way, because normally the proof is not so straightforward. So to do that, we draw a rectangle like this, and then let's take this line, and let's say this line is of length x, and then the key idea here is I draw a triangle, a right angle triangle, such that this angle is 90 degree, and let's say this angle is A and this angle we call it B. Before I go into this, there is one fact everyone must know. If this is a triangle and this side is x and this side is theta, then the projection of this line over this is x cos theta, and projection of this line over this is x sin theta. If you do not know this, just memorize it. It's going to be very useful. It's very simple. You can go over this at many texts. So this is the thing that we are going to use in this one over and over. You can just see that cos theta is equal to this side over this side. That's how it will prove. So anyway, so this length x has projections on this line because this is 90 degree. So this side has a projection on this line that is going to be x cos b. You can see this cos b is equal to x cos b divided by x, and that is cos b. Now let's move forward. The projection of this line over this line is going to be, for example, this x cos b, this side is going to be x cos b into cos a. Projection of this line over this line is going to be, this line is going to be x cos b, which is this line, multiplied by sin a, the projection of this line over this. Now if you take this triangle, this angle is b, this is x cos b, this side is going to be x sin b. Now this angle is a and this angle is 90, so this is going to be 90 minus a. 90 minus a. I could write it more clearly, but I'll write it like this. This angle is 90 minus a. Now this is 90 minus a. This is 90. Sum has to be 180. So this angle must be 80 because a minus a plus 90 becomes 180. Now because this angle is a, this is x sin b, so this projection of this line over this line is going to be x sin b into cos a. You probably are getting a feel of that this is going to be the right hand side of this term. But how is it going to be equal to a plus b? So let's continue. This angle is a, so this angle is going to be 90 minus a because this is 90 degree. This angle is b, this angle is 90, therefore this angle is equal to 90 minus b. Now these three angles must sum to 180, and which is possible only if this angle is a plus b, because if you add these things, a plus b minus b cancel, you are left with 180. Now because this angle is a plus b, this side has, this projection for example is x cos a plus b, and this side has this projection as x into sin A plus B. Now this side is equal to sum of this side plus this side. So we can write x sine A plus B is equal to, I'll write this one first, or this one first. I will just reverse the things a little bit to make it look similar to this. X sine A into cos B, and I'll also reverse this one. So I can write x cos A into sine B. Now I can cancel x from here. You get sine A plus B is equal to sine A into cos B plus cos A into sine B. And this is what this identity is. We can use a similar thing to prove the cosine identity. For example, by projecting this one over here and finding it as a sum of two sides or a difference of two sides. I will leave it for you as an exercise, and I hope it